Okay, it's me again, Technology Freak. And another thing I saw on that website, um, which I was, um, a lot of my videos are going to be filmed the same day, and not going to be uploaded the same day. So, I was looking, I was looking for some topics today. Went to a website, I found a bunch of cool stuff, and I made a video about them. Did what I found so far that I think is interesting. Go back to robot lawnmower video. I might post a link to that. Or like make a playlist or something, post a link when I get done. Anyways, I found something called Cyborg Unplug. Um, and it seems to be something you can use to kick people off your what is it IP address or route or something. It's just something to do with kicking like booting people off your router or whatever. It's kind of interesting. Um, anyways, that's it for this video. Bye.